Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, you guys, I am going to show you what I got for the month of October. Boxycharm. I got it, you guys. I'm so excited about this month, and I decided to share it with you guys. If you guys would like to see what I got and how I achieved this look with the things that I got, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already opened the box and I already put on the makeup. I used the I'm gonna show you what I got first and tell you what I used, and then after I do all of that, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys how I applied my makeup, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started. So this is how the box looks, you guys. In it has, you know, the Boxycharm, what is this? You know, the Boxycharm card. Let's get started on what I got. So I use this. This is very pigmented, you guys. So pretty. This is the shadows that I used. Like I said, stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm going to show you how I applied everything. So I got the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors. They had plenty of other palettes that came out this month, but this is the one that I got. And it's so beautiful, so fall. Like, it's so pretty. And yeah, it looks like this. It got handprints on it, I'm sorry, fingerprints because of me, but I love how heavy it is. It just feels very like fancy and high quality, so I love that. And this is how it looks inside. This is the brush. I didn't want it to fall, so I took it out, but this is the brush. It comes with a little brush like that, and these are the colors. Like I said, it's very pigmented. The colors I used were Brassy, Foxy, and Bossy, and it's these three shades right here. Sorry, right here in the middle. I will show you guys more in detail how I did it at the end, so please keep on watching afterwards. So this palette is very pretty. I will be using this probably all fall because I love the way this look came out. So pretty. Yeah, you guys, so this is one of the things that I got this month. The next thing I got is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. This, guys, this smells so good. It smells so good. I was so happy when I put this on my face. I was like kind of skeptical. I'm like, oh my god, I hope this don't smell like really bad, but it smells so refreshing. And I did use this. I didn't use it before because I forgot, but I did use it afterwards. It did give me like a little glow. I don't know if I sprayed a lot or not, but it smells so good. I don't care if it didn't or did. I like the way it smelled. And yeah, guys, I got this. Next thing I got is the Tinted Brow Gel. I did not use this, you guys, because I always do my brows before I do my makeup. Let me see if I can do it like that. I don't know why it's don't say. I'm sorry if you guys can't see that. But it says it's by Mellow. It looks like this. Let me try it because since I didn't use it in the video, I mean, it is in light brown. And I use dark for my eyebrows. So. Ooh, I hope I ain't messing up my eyebrows doing this. I probably did, but whatever. I mean, they didn't mess it up that bad, but like I said, this is like in light brown. I would use it and tell you guys if I like it. It did make my eyebrows a little lighter, but it's okay. I just wanted to try it out. So I got this. The next thing I got, which I was so excited about, is the Hank & Harry Mascara Duo Stick. It's from Clout. It's called Clout. Sorry, it's not from Clout. It's called Clout. It looks like this. So this one is for the bottom lashes, which I never do, but I did today. You'll see it in the video, and it's like my bottom eyelashes was getting combed out for the first time because, like I said, I never do my bottom lashes, but they did comb out really good. So I like this. I'm so excited I got this. I'm like, ooh, you know what? Since I don't do it, this will make me want to do it more. And then the other one is for, you know, your top lashes, which did a very good job. I must say, it's very I mean, it's not full. It's just very, make sure it's not voluminous, and make your lashes very like what is it called? Not voluminous, but it helps it lengthwise. Let me just say that, because I can't even think of the word, but it helps it lengthwise, but don't make it very voluminous. So I do like it though. I really do like that. And the last thing I got is the red pomegranate face mask. It looks like this. Sheet mask. I got 2. And I have not used it, as you can see. I really don't like masks like that. I'm very particular what I put on my face. I just use a certain product I use on my face. I probably would use this, but if it starts to make me break out or give me redness in my face, of course I would stop. So I would try it just to see if it's good, because you never know, you know. So this is the last thing I got. So yeah, you guys, this is all I got for my Boxycharm. But now I'm going to do a full face for you guys. Well, not full face. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, my lipstick. If you guys want to know what lipstick this is, which I did feature it in a video, it's the Havana Nights. This is so pretty, right, you guys? I love this lipstick. So pretty. I did get this from Boxycharm. This is I don't know if I'm like butchering the name. It's Ofra. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I did get this in one of my Boxycharms this year, and it's so pretty. I really like it. It goes with the look. So you guys, I'm just going to stop talking and let's get on into the video.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
So you guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys for more videos. Bye, you guys.